In this video, I'm going to explain in as simple words as possible as what is CLIP. CLIP stands for Contrastive Language-Image Pre-training, and it is a neural network that connects images to text. The original model by OpenAI, which was released on January 2021, was trained with 400 million images with their text captions. That model uses a technique called contrastive learning that embeds the images and text in a common space where the representation from the two modalities can be compared. CLIP can perform zero-shot learning where an unseen concept can be recognized, for example, identifying an animal without any prior training. It can also do one-shot learning, where a single example is shown for a concept and it can still recognize it. For example, recognizing a new font style on any page. CLIP has always been important in image models, and one of the most famous model is Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion uses a CLIP model, and Stable Diffusion XL uses two. But it is very important that now these models have become multimodal from just image models. Lava, which is another open source multimodal LLM, uses an open source version of CLIP. And the more well-known models like DALL-E 3 or GPT-4, they use a more advanced but proprietary version of this CLIP. And then there are a lot of other models which are using CLIP, such as MedClip, which is used for medical image captioning, and then there are a lot of others open source and Hugging Face. You can search them. Now, one of the interesting thing which is still quite challenging is fine-tuning these CLIP models, but that's not easy. Not in terms of technicalities, but also in terms of the resources they need. People have been trying to fine-tune these models, but still the results could vary a lot. Also at that, I would like to mention that there is also an open clip, which is an open source implementation of OpenAI's clip. And in the future, I intend to do a video around open clip. So please stay tuned. I hope that you found it interesting as what is clip and now you understand it, that what it stands for, which models are there and what exactly it means. If you still have any questions, please put them in the comment. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.